Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic today is about find the solution of this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. For the first one, by factorization. So the technique to answer. So we see that about 10x we can put into 5x and 5x, and the next one we need to add about the square root of number 5x. Later that we need to minus s with the square root of number 5, and we put number 20 in here. So the next one, we combine s square 5x and s with the square root of number 5 together. And this one, and this one together. So we can do about factorization by s. So this one we can do about factorization by 5 minus the square root of number 5. And this one we will have about s plus 5 plus the square root of number 5, because this one multiplied by this one, you will have about a minus b multiplied by a plus b, and that is about a square minus b square. So this one we have 5 square minus the square root of number 5 square, and this one we have 25 minus number 5, and this one they return back to number 20. Now we have this one and this one, we can do another factorization. And now we can find the solution of this one. So this one we have the final answer. So I will put this one go to the right, this one go to the right. Now about this one, by completing the squares. So for this one, I will put about number 10 into number 2 multiplied by 5, and we have s, because we need to add about 5 square in here. Later that we need to minus about 5 square. So for this one, we can apply about a square plus 2ab plus b squared equals to a plus b everything to the power of 2. This is about identities. So for this one, we have x plus 5 everything to the power of 2. This number in here we put on the right, so we have 20 minus 5 squared. We have negative number 5. Negative number 5 go to the right. We have positive number 5. And this one we put the square root for the both sides. So this one we have the square root of number 5. And this one we have negative with the square root of number 5. And we put number 5 go to the right. And the last one, that is about graphing. Here is about the graph of the function. So as you can see that we can use the graph to find the solution in here. That is about this one and this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.